Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate this Barbie Mariposa look and dress to impress without VIP. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it like this for all the selection. And then you're going to put on this top, make it this color and make it glitter. And then combine with this jacket, make it top only. And then change the material to glitter and this flower top, and you're going to make it like this for the color. And then we're going to go to the changing room. All right, from here I'm going to go to this world culture update, and then we're going to put on this dress and choose skirt only. Okay, and for the color, make it the same pink color. Okay, and for the next one as well. And then for the second selection, you're going to make it glitter. And then put on this skirt, make it this color for all the selection. And then make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to select this skirt. Okay, remove the layer and you can apply the same pink color and make it glitter. Alright, and then you're going to choose this dress from the Weather Crow set. Choose only skirt, and then you're going to make it the same pink color. And again guys, we're going to make it glitter for the first selection. Okay, and then the last one, wait, I'm going to go back, and then we're going to put on this Mara heels and we're going to apply the same pink color. Okay, now it's done, and then this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Barbie Mariposa with this look and dress to impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!